Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody? Take a look. I was just doing a real quick walk by and take a look, man. Team Transport. I know I do not have this one yet. Mercedes-Benz 190E with the Fleet Flyer. Yeah. Damn, this thing is super nice. And I had not seen this, so it should be with the Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, and a Supernova. So this one right here is the Mercedes-Benz. Man, those wheels are nice. The casting is nice too. Looks just like the one, the Momo one, the red one from Open Track. And take a look at the Fleet Flyer. Very nice. And the Falken tires. Very nice graphics. And even then, it's got the Momo. Yeah, man. And so we got this one right here, man. The Fairlady Z. This working rig. Sakura Sprinter. Man, this thing is super nice as well. Very detailed. Man, those rims. Very nice. Yeah. And the 240. God. You know what I'm saying? Take a look. Man, those wheels are nice. Ready for the track. Number 23. Oh man, is that like a wing? Take a look at the back. Oh man, this thing looks super nice. It's got like a white body. And the spoiler back there. Can't really see it well, but it looks like it's got a big spoiler. It's got this one, it's got the Momo and the K&W. With the real riders in the... What the heck? Man, I thought it was gonna be the Nova. But this is just... Man, tell me, man. I wonder which clown did this, man. This is... Man, some clown had to do this, man. It's like... That's just not right. Broke ass clown, man. This is crazy. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's just... I'm not even gonna talk about it, man. Forget that. Whoever did that, man. But anyways, man, take a look at that. That the 66 Supernova is the exact same one as from this case to that case is the exact same casting, or at least I cannot tell any difference. So yeah, this is my two. Man, that's just I'm not even... Forget about it, man. And looks like they got some new castings. Take a look up there. Fresh boxes, 8-piece Hot Wheels, and it's got the 999C. It's probably the Toy Story, who knows. And these ones are nice. This is like the one I got my son from the Goodwill for like $2. This one's brand new, it's $15. But yeah, take a look over here. Looks like they just restocked these super fast. Take a look right here, man. This is the super fast, very nice Corvette. The open hood. Yeah, this one is gonna be gone by the morning. Stingray. These wheels are nice, very nice wheels. So it looks like a complete set. Oh, might have been two sets. You got the S2K, a second, and then you can get one of the BMW i8. Yeah, but I already got this set, so I guess it was two cases. Oh man, these guys got a nice Subaru right here. I hadn't seen this one. Matchbox to the rescue. Take a look. Cool. But I'll probably pick. Oh, I seen these ones on Facebook. Take a look. Let's see. Oh, this is the other way. Whoa. Damn. This has 3 castings. Dom's Dodge Charger Daytona. This is the Brian's Toyota Supra and Brian's Ford Escort. This is a Nano Hollywood Rides. They don't look that bad, man. They got tampos all over the place for sure. Yeah, they look well detailed. This is Series 1, and this is the Fast and Furious. They also have some Transformers. You got Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, and another Bumblebee. Man, it would have been nice if they had that Beetle from that one movie. Yeah, other than that, it looks like nothing. Oh, take a look at this. Damn. You got a Skyline GTR Moon Ice, and you have one Datsun Bluebird in white. Well, there's one over here. Bluebird Datsun in white. M2. Yeah, this thing is super cool. Very nice. And you have a black Fairlady. Damn, very nice Fairlady. All black, and then you also have it in a gray, which I would probably pick the shoe. I don't know, man. Probably the black over the gray. Yeah, I would pick the black over the gray. This is Skyline. There's I said that Datsun. Take a look at this truck right here. Chevy Cheyenne. From the Just Trucks. But I think that's about it. Other than that, I don't see anything back there or down there. These ones are old. Yeah, they look not freshly stocked. Sometimes people hide stuff at the bottom. Look, there's a mice still right here. Yeah, of course it had to be a Bel Air gasser. Oh man, I don't know why people be hiding stuff, you know. Just take it. But yeah, I'll also take another look around and see if there's anything, or if I happen to find, you know, there's always gold backs, or you know, just hidden stuff. You never know. You know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna go to another Walmart, and I'll just link it to this one video. But stay tuned. Yeah.